Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to make your very own custom plugin in Godot 4. To get started, head over to Project, Project Settings, into Plugins, click Create New Plugin. Here we can name our plugin, so I'll just do GWiz's plugin. And for the description, we'll just do something simple like GWiz's plugin tutorial. Add in the author, and it's completely up to you what version number you give this. And make sure to press Activate Now and Create. Here we have our main plugin script, and you'll notice that it has an @ tool, which means it can run in the editor. If we head over to the add-ons, the plugins folder, you'll see we have the script and also the config file, which we set up earlier. Now, this script is mainly only for loading and unloading the plugin. The actual plugin will be inside of a scene file. So we'll create a new scene. Make sure it's a user interface. We're going to be creating a doc. So doc. Inside of here, we could add in a script if we would like. Since we also want this to be running inside the editor, we will add another @ tool decorator. The sky is the limit with what you make your plugin do. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to create a simple button. Expand it out to here. We'll just say, press me. And then we'll connect this to our main script. And when we do so, we'll change our button's text to thank you. And now with our very useful plugin, we'll head back over to our plugin's main script. We'll create a new variable. We'll just call it doc. Let's go ahead and instantiate the doc by setting doc to preload. Select the doc tscn that we just created, dot instantiate. Now we should add it to somewhere in our editor. So let's add it to the upper left by going add, control to doc. We'll do doc slot upper left, and then pass in doc. And now in our exit tree, we will remove control from docs, doc, and also doc.free. Now if we save this, head over to our project, project settings, plugins, and we disable and re-enable our plugin, you'll see right here, we have our plugin. Now let's exit out of this, and if we press the button, you'll see it runs the code. And since this is a doc just like any other doc in Godot, we can click the 3 dots and click make floating. And now we can drag it wherever we would like. And obviously we can also set its position. Obviously that is just a simple example of what a plugin could be. This is a more expanded upon example where we have 2 text boxes where you could insert a problem and insert your email and then press the submit, and it will send that data off to a local server I have. Anyways guys, I hope you found this story helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you!